This is a video on how to make a trebuchet. This is the trebuchet that we will be designing in this video. As you can see, this is exactly how it will look in the end. The tools and supplies that you will be needed is a hammer, a drill, a needle nose pliers, a side cutters, also another version of a side cutters. And also, you will need a wide range of drill bits. So, to make this trebuchet, first what you want to do, you want to cut a board that is exactly 21 inches long. And you can see that this is measured, and that's how I've got it. So you want to measure, this measurement would be 6.25 inches. So you want to make a board 21 by 6.25 inches. And for these little stubs here, you want to make them 1 foot tall by 1.5 inches. So you want to make 2 of those, so it'll be 1 by 1.5 inches. You want to also make some supports out of here, and these are 5 inches by 5 inches. So there are a 5 by 5. And you also want to make 2 of those because there are 2 of them. Now for this, it's just a little metal bar, and this you want to make 2 little stubs right here. So these stubs are about 1.5 inches by 1 inch. So you want to make 2 of those again. And also for this long arm that your catapult would be attached to with this basket too, the length would be let's see here. That's about 16 inches. So you want to make it 16 inches long, and also 1 3/8 inches wide. So once you have your material all together, and you also need a screw for this arm to come down and latch to. So as you can see right here, that has come down and it has latched right to it. So you can see how this is made. Just take 1 screw, and then you want to take a piece of wire, loop it around on both ends, so this can also pivot freely. Want to have that bar and have enough room between these 2 spacers so I can pivot freely, and then it will come down to right here, and it will just latch on just like that. Be careful, it will set off any slight movement if you create any slight movement. So here's what I used for counterweight, and it's just 2 door hinges, also with some that would be 2, 4, 6 C-celled batteries just in its case. So I'm gonna let that down so it doesn't fire all of a sudden, scare me. So that is the basics of that. Now we'll do a test in just a bit. So here are the drawings that I have done, and this right here, this is that little basket that's on it. Here are the little, those are these, and here's that basket. Yeah, you can see that longer bar, and then the different holes. I don't know if you guys saw this, but here are the holes on that. And you can see all the holes correspond to there. Here's a side view of it. Here's a back view. I know my drawings are very horrible, but that will be okay. So how I made this, also the type of wood, this is cedar. These two spacers are cedar. This is cedar. And then this is OSB, Oriented Strand Board. So you can see that's just used as a cross brace. And then this base is all made out of oak laminate wood. So let's do some tests and we'll see the results. So as you can see, I'm just loading this right now. And here's what we will be using for ammo. Just a little rock, just like that. Let's get placed right into there. So, and this right here is the 8-foot mark. So if we can hit that, that'll be perfect. Okay, and fire! So as you can see, that went just a little bit over. So that's good. And this concludes our video of the making of the trebuchet. I hope you've enjoyed. Thanks for watching.